All right, well, this is our Twister Hybrid Turnip test plot. So this plot was planted mid-April. It's now late June, and the plot looks really good. This is a new product for us. In general, your hybrid turnips are a fair bit different, but they're still a turnip. So it's still a true biannual. This is gonna grow vegetatively all summer long. If you were to graze it, it would regrow really well. Planted in a monoculture like this, we're gonna start seeing some heat stress. You know, as we head into July and August and the hot summers here in Nebraska, turnips don't love that. They would be much better off if they had some companion plants like some sorghums or you know, a millet to kind of shade them. But yeah, this is a great product on the forage side of things. If you're looking for grazing, especially on the regrowth, the hybrid turnips are really something we've really liked how they performed. The Twister specifically, it's replacing our Vivant hybrid turnip, and we look forward to carrying this product going forward. We think there's some improved benefits to it.
And what makes this such a great grazing plant is they take a purple top turnip and they cross it with a kind of an Asian leaf lettuce, and they get mostly leaf and no bulb. In fact, if you compare it to a purple top turnip, you can see the difference in the bulbs. And again, if you're concerned about this being a choking hazard for animals, this is not going to be a choking hazard at all. You know, leaf size, very similar, probably a little better regrowth on the hybrid. That's part of the hybridization product or process. They really select for things that are going to regrow very well. This has New Zealand genetics, and in New Zealand they graze sheep and they regraze sheep and they regraze and regraze. That's just part of their program. So they develop these brassicas for extreme ability to regrow, high nutritional content. Going to cost a little bit more than just your regular old purple top, but if you're really grazing and managing your grazing well, definitely worth the extra money. Likely
this is not something you're going to want to plant though as a monoculture in a grazing setting, because your animals are going to get pretty washy. This is very high protein, high moisture, so you're going to want to put this in a mix with some other things, likely some cereals, or in the summertime, warm season grasses, to balance that ration out. But yes, if we were to graze this off or mow this off, this plot would come roaring back and just aggressively regrowing. The turnips, you know, they winter kill around that 10-degree mark. So here in Nebraska, they're really not going to survive your winter. They're going to be more of an annual. As you go farther south, though, this would then start to be more of a biannual, and you'd have to contend with the spring growth as well.